Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Angela. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few different hairstyles for medium to short length hair. I recently took out my tape and extensions and I've just been rocking the really short hair, and I realized that this is the type of hair that you definitely need to style in order to look presentable, I think, at least on me. So I put together a few hairstyles just so that it might make it quick and easy for you guys to have in the back of your head when you're just running out or whatever it is you have to do. So I hope you enjoy these hairstyles and this video. So let's just get right into it. Whoosh. Okay, so for the first hairstyle, I just need to part my hair. So I'm just gonna grab like an inch section from the front and pull it out. And then pull this back for a second. So you're just gonna grab this piece and you're going to tuck it behind your ear and pull it all the way back so it's like super tight like this. Sorry, my mirror is like on the right of me, so I have to keep looking this way. Cool. And then I'm gonna grab a bobby pin. It doesn't matter what color it is because it's gonna be underneath anyways. So I have like one black one and one blonde one because I couldn't find the same color. And you just wanna bobby pin it. You can't see what I'm doing, but you just bobby pin it down, like just bobby pin that piece in so that it won't move. So see? You can just tuck it behind your ear as well if that's what you want, but this makes me feel like I won't untuck it from my ears. When I'm putting it with a bobby pin, it feels more like a hairstyle rather than just like, oh, I just tucked my hair behind my ears, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna do the same for the other side. You wanna try and grab the same amount of hair so it looks even. So now, you can leave it just like this if you want, because this is super cute. And then I would just like straighten this a little bit flatter because it's getting a little puffy. My hair gets like frizzy really easily, which is so annoying, but you can just leave it like this. This is super cute and it's clean and put together, and I love it. This is so cute. But to add a little more, I would grab my straightener. Ew, my straightener is so terrible. I need to get a new one. I've like burned the crap out of it. I will like flip up the ends just like this. So all you do for this is grab a straightener, go down as if you're straightening, and then flip it up and then on the ends, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is like so simple. It just like adds a little extra to your hairstyle, I feel like. Just like you put some more time into it when it literally took like 5 minutes. So cute, guys. Since my hair is so much shorter now, I feel like it's so much quicker to do it because there's not much hair to work with, so it's kind of nice. But I'm in the process of trying to grow out my hair because even though this is a cute change, I really love long hair. Like, oh, it's just so much fun. I've always been a long-haired kind of girl, but this is cute and different, so. Okay, just get this last piece in the back. Perfect. So this is the look. It's so cute and it's so different, and like it's just adds like a little something extra. I feel like a Polly Pocket doll right now. Like, do you guys remember those Polly Pocket dolls? Let me know in the comments down below if you had one of those dolls. For the next hairstyle, we're going to grab a smaller piece, just like face framers like that, and then another one like that. You guys are gonna see I have a lot of breakage around the front of my face because I did lighten my hair a few times, and that's really bad for your hair. But it's okay, we're in the process of getting it all better and healthy again. So basically I just pulled out like face framers in the front, kind of like almost a little bit thicker because I like the look of like thicker like pieces in the front of my face. And then we're gonna do a half up, half down look. So use like your thumb. This is how I do it. I use like my thumbs to kind of separate and make like a line in between the hair that's down and the hair that's pulled up. And kind of just finger comb it into a ponytail like this. Then I'm just grabbing a hair tie and tying it at the top. And then I'm just going to grab a little piece like this from the ponytail, and I'm going to wrap it around so that you can't see the elastic. And then when you're all out, I just lay it flat on the back where the ponytail is gonna hide it. And I grab a bobby pin and I just pin it down. Now with this hair, it's super cute because it's super doll-like. It's so cute and like flirty. I like to have one bang out and tuck one in, but you can have both out if you want. It's like a cute little look, or you can tuck them both back in and then just have like the pony kind of like that. And I like to go back through and make sure these are flipped up as well. So this is the finished hairstyle. Okay, so for the next hairstyle, I'm going to grab a piece from this side. My hair is parted in the middle. And grab a little piece and kind of flip it over. Like that. Basically, you keep this chunk of hair down and almost like a little more to the right of your part, or left of your part, whichever side you want, out. And you just pull all your hair into a ponytail. This would be so good with gel, but I don't want to put gel on because I still have more hairstyles to show you, and it's gonna make it really hard for me to show you those other ones because my hair will be like stuck like this. So these little like baby hairs, you can put some gel in it and a little bit of water and it'll just lay right flat down. But so like this, tie your hair in a pony. Wrap it around the ponytail just so that you don't see it. I think this is so cute whenever you do any kind of hair that's slicked into a pony. I think it's so cute to cover the pony with the hair so that you don't see the elastic. Just bobby pin that down. Oh, I love this hairstyle. It's so cute and like sassy, and my hair is just like up, but it's like still like this is still there, so it looks like really cute. And you can straighten the pieces flat because mine are still in that like looped that I had them earlier. So you can just straighten them completely flat and straight so that they don't look crazy. Like so. You can't see very well. I know I have flyaways, but we can tuck those with gel. Okay, this next hairstyle, we're going to grab 2-inch sections from the front again. I feel like all these hairstyles are very similar, but they're all like, I don't know, they're all super cute, I think. So I really hope you guys enjoy these. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this. So just pull it back. Grab the piece and pull it back, and then use, I like to, for hairstyles like this where they're really like, there's gonna be two of them, I like to use clear little elastics. You can't see it, but I'm using a clear elastic. So I'm pulling this back. Then you just do the same with the other side. So you grab a chunk of hair you want to use. Make sure the rest is laid nice and flat. Pull it back. Ta-da! So it's a cute, fun, little flirty hairstyle. Ugh, my breakage is so bad. Like you can just see like this and these, but it's still super cute. It's super fun and flirty, and you can take cute little Instagram pictures with these. This one's like one of my favorites because it's just like so cute. And the last hairstyle is super easy. I feel like I do it all the time because it's like so simple. So it's another half up, half down, but it's like a different version of it. So you just pull your hair, half of it up, the rest down. You can slick it back to look like super cute and put together, or you don't have to. Sometimes I think like a little bit of flyaways is okay. So then I'll just do like a messy bun on top. Something like that. I feel like this is the perfect, like, I'm not trying today, like I'm just going to the grocery store, but like you still, like, this is so cute to me. Like, I don't know, am I the only person that thinks this is cute? Watch everybody watching this video. You guys probably think it's like so ugly, but I think this is so cute. Like, pull some pieces out, face framers, you know, a little messy bun on top. Like, I'm sorry, like, just don't look very good right now, but like, low-key you do, because this hairstyle is so cute. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. It actually reminds you anytime I post a new video, you'll get a little notification on your phone or tablet. So yes, thank you so much for tuning in with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!